Hello friends. Today we will show you some cozy and beautiful courtyard, created by your own hands, 45 intriguing ideas that won't let you sleep. A home without a garden and flower bed not only looks dull and monotonous, but also feels uncomfortable. To make the courtyard shine with vibrant colors and natural beauty, every detail should be carefully considered and then brought to life. You should carefully consider the placement of flower beds, trees, and all decorative elements that adorn the garden. The design of the house's courtyard should delight, captivate, and be harmonious in every season. Here we offer you several ideas for a cozy and beautiful courtyard. Get inspired.